Hello, my dear friends! Today I'm going to tell you how to choose right gym clothes. So you will love what you see in the mirror. In this video, you will learn how to right clothes can help you feel in 100% confident in the gym, no matter your fitness level. You can also discover how the right style of workout gear can flatter your figure and boost your motivation during a workout. I used to wear clothes like that to the gym. Simple training and white t-shirts. Of course, it's not bad, but they're so much better. I also have this beautiful lilac suit. I bought it 3 years ago and I wear it quite often. Spring mood. If you have a pear-shaped figure, don't hide your gorgeous hips. And appear too short in relation to your body. That's why it's better to opt for long cycling shorts or leggings. I bought this white suit yesterday. I really love it. I am very happy. Some people think that white makes you look heavier, but I disagree. White color gives an outfit a soft and elegant look. The key is choosing the right fabric. I have this wonderful red suit. This color gives me confidence. Also, I very like this leggings Nike from Nike. And red top. The fabric of this outfit feels like a second skin, making it comfortable to wear while exercising. If you have a rectangular or inverted triangle body type and want to make your hips look wider, I highly recommend wearing skirt shorts, bell-shaped styles, and simple white t-shirts. Please let me know in the comments what do you think of this skirt style. I have the same suits in black color. I like to wear it with a top. Also, I personally prefer wearing A-line skirts because I am less fond of body-hiding skirts in this type of look. They also don't visually emphasize my hips. No. Yes. I have a pair of short cycling shorts in ocean wave blue from Ocean. That suits well with pink color. Sometimes I wear these outfits with sketchers. It's very comfortable and good for cold weather. If you want to visual longer to your legs, I recommend wearing cropped bike shorts. What do you prefer more, leggings or leg warmers? Half top can help flatter and balance your figure in a shoulder area. The first nice outfit that I bought was this black suit with accent shorts and little black top. Statement black shorts paired with a lace top add visual interest to the outfit. As you may have noticed, most of my clothes can wear outside as everyday wear. I have black shorts and red t-shirts. That suits very good together. Don't you think all the previous looks were much better than this one? I used to wear exactly this. I hope you found this video helpful and you will start to go to the gym more often. Subscribe to my Telegram channel and website. That's when I chat with you and share a lot of interesting things. See you soon!